Welcome to the video on safety standards and professional behavior in carpentry and joinery. This is an introduction to professional trade standards. Our core principles are safety first and professional standards. Before starting practical work, you must understand how skilled professionals operate. Safety is the foundation of every task, and you should deliver craftsmanship to a highly skilled professional industry level. Safety is a learned skill that involves several steps. You must understand hazards, follow safe operating procedures, use personal protective equipment, and maintain control by working responsibly. We work to a standard in this structured trade course. This means being consistent by following SOPs, accurate by mastering precision in every cut, and organized by keeping your work area tidy and respecting your tools. The professional workflow involves 5 key steps: measure, mark out, cut, assemble, and finish. Following this systematic approach ensures quality work. Proper workshop behavior includes listening to demonstrations, taking detailed notes, following all instructions, and asking when unsure. Always respect all tools and keep your workshop clean. Safety is planned, not reliant on luck. Experienced tradespeople plan their work through risk assessment. This process includes identifying hazards, deciding who might be harmed, evaluating risks, implementing controls, and reviewing the assessment. Next, before practical work begins, you will master the risk assessment process and see its direct link to your safe operating procedures. The key message is simple: safety first. Only after ensuring safety do we work to a professional standard. That is how professionals operate.